See that guy one! Domboshava!
So yeah, today is a Saturday and we're off hiking Domboshava caves. Just got to Domboshava. I'm super excited. This is my first time here. So yeah, Coach Tao just finished addressing the crowd and we are going up.
I saw.
Just came all the way from down there. We aren't even halfway up. Trust me, it's not easy.
What is that?
At this point, we're in full workout mode.
Kudhara vaichichifamba musango waisvika pane mwacho obva kukumbirira kuti tanzwa nenzara ndokumbira udonhonzo paiva pabuda chikafu ipapo chakatobikwa sadza rezviyo wasingapiwe your own totem wasingabvumidzwe kutakura kana anyakaona nyama yakawanda zvinengei what you want for the road osira ipapo obva waproceed.
We were just learning about trees, and then somehow the topic about trees turned into learning about females.
Taste is determined by the female. Yeah. Kana wangogara uchitongonaka kaka. This is powerful than if it dies, the moment you inongowana mvura chete turns green.
So we're going to be saying goodbye to the beautiful outside world as we head into the cave. Let me tell you something about ZIMBOCART. ZIMBOCART is your one-stop shop for your online retail advertising. The biggest e-commerce platform in Zimbabwe. But they don't only do that. Let me tell you more. They also organize epic group trips for hiking and many other activities like camping. Boost your online sales and adventure quotient with ZIMBOCART.
We have managed to get thus far.
Takundo.
Padapfura napapa. Panogara chimwe chipafada so.
As we got to the cave, we were in for a big surprise.
Hey, exactly. If you look at the paintings, these paintings are more than 3,000 years old. asi ukasabuda uzoti gore iroro hakuna chi kana ukabuda uri ushoma then inokuti mvura ichanaya but ichange iri shoma amukidze gomo makapfeka.
Parts of it are considered sacred by some local communities who tend to hold their spiritual ceremonies here. But there we are, a few minutes later, with our shoes on. Bear in mind, he wasn't talking about us. That's how it used to be back in the day. Go read your history, people. As we enjoy one of Zimbabwe's remarkable rock formations, a popular tourist destination that has a lot to offer, we gotta move on to the next iconic feature here. And if you've ever wondered what success feels like, that's success. So yeah, we just got to what I would assume is the highest point in Domboshava, which the coach called the beacon, and we just passed it. So yeah, I'm guessing we're now going to be going down, going down, going down. As I journey through Zimbabwe, I'm slowly finding out that my beloved country is so beautiful. This place is indeed one of the places you can travel to escape the buzz of Harare. Spend the day surrounded by stunning views. Say you're stressed, like me. The Domboshava atmosphere creates a perfect moment to relax and soak in its magnificence. If you don't believe me, ask Mufambi from Harare, who said they'd gone up to lament over a heartbreak, but by the time they went down, they'd even forgotten that hearts are fragile. What a beautiful day. But who am I to only say it by myself?
I had the best tour of the day. The Domboshava was quite beautiful, guys. Come through whenever you want, and you can see every single thing that our ancestors showed and what they did back then. The beacon is inside! Woo! We made it!